Where are we? I don't see.
Hi!
Hi!
Here again. Wonderful. Michigan sucks.
I don't have any farts. I don't have to fart!
That almost came out of my nose. It's really bad. I'm crying.
You okay?
You made me laugh at the wrong time. I have a beer in my nose.
That's freaking hot.
My nose hurts really bad now.
That's really funny.
Ooh.
You can tell people that your nose hurts from drugs.
But it's not. It's from you making me laugh when I'm drinking root beer.
That's not my fault.
Yeah. You're staring at yourself, aren't you?
Yeah! My teeth look really straight.
Your phone vibrated.
Yep.
Nom nom nom.
That's braces for you, kiddos.
Make sure to keep wearing your retainers.
No, I didn't.
Neither did I. I see a footsie. Footsie. Oh, that's my bad foot. Yeah, I ran into a door today. Broke my toe. It hurts.
Retard, retard, retard. You got any farts?
I don't. Not a very gassy person.
Yeah, me either.
I think everybody on YouTube knows you are.
Whatever.
Kind of think I have a birthday. Favorite beer. Stop pushing it.
You have stuff on it.
I know. Do you have cleaner?
No.
That's what I thought.
What's it look like? Why would I have cleaner?
I don't know.
Are you drinking all my root beer?
Oh, remember. Ugh. No. Run away. How are you today?
Peachy, how are you?
You're good.
That's fantastic.
I need a new phone.
Get one.
I need money.
Get some. Get some!
You want to get some, don't you?
Whoa.
Money.
Oh. Yeah.
She's a pervert. Takes everything the wrong way. Swallow that, Nicole. Swallow it.
Listen, you laughing now until I spit it all over your computer.
It's a wipeable keyboard. It'll do. Don't do it. I was kidding.
Whale dick. Whale dick?
I thought you were still drinking.
Oh.
I was drinking milk once and somebody said whale dick and it went all over the keyboard. We should have farted.
Is my face red?
Were you straining?
Yeah.
Which one out?
I was trying.
Let me pull your finger. Let's try.
No.
We should go to Taco Bell and get you something real quick.
Let's not.
We had a story last week that we found out. 2 of our friends thought they had fart. Shit themselves. So be wary, kids. If you're pushing and it's squishing, don't keep going.
If it feels like it's going to be warm and slimy, it probably will.
And that
be.
is not slimy yet satisfying.
Ew.
Sorry, I watched The Lion King the other night.
Nasty.
Hakuna Matata.
Oh, I do feel like I have to poop, though.
Well, that's always nice.
You can go with me to the bathroom.
Videotape that.
Yeah, sure. No. I have no top lip.
I don't think anybody really does. I learned on America's Next Top Model. If it looks like you don't have a very good upper lip, like it's not very defined, take some toilet paper. No, take some toilet paper and roll it up and put it right under here.
Yep.
And it'll make your lip pop out. True story. Watched it when I was like 12. Excuse me.
Oh, it stinks! What did you eat? It stinks! Oh, I think I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke.
Never make your own spaghetti sauce. Whatever. Nice one.
Oh, it tastes like salad dressing.
No, but don't ever trust
Anyways.
any of your friends to make their own spaghetti sauce. I let
I
my friend do it this morning, and he put way too much garlic in
Listen, I make some damn good spaghetti sauce. It's called ragu.
it. So do I. It's called Prego.
I
Or
like ragu.
Prego.
Prego? Like pregnant?
No. Definitely not that.
That's disgusting.
No.
Why would you eat that? Especially on noodles. That might be more of a rice dish.
She's the woman, though, that when I had my son, she wanted to see what the placenta looked like.
Why would you not want to see what it looked like?
Well, that's just gross.
It's not gross. I've never seen one before.
I don't. Anybody's seen one before.
Trevor saw it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, huh? He said, "Oh, it looks like my hand." That's what he said.
Whoa, you gross.
It's not my fault.
Okay, so for some reason I just had the thought they're magically delicious pop into my head. Not the placenta, so not a text message.
First word that pops in your head. 1, 2, 3, go. Penis.
Okay,
I can still taste your burp.
gross.
Ugh, it's like my eyes water.
Okay, you want to try that again? The 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Damn, I thought you were gonna say penis again,
No.
and then
I'm not always
penis
thinking
insert.
penis, you know.
Hooter.
This is supposed to be G-rated. And you
Okay.
ruined it. Oh! Whoops.
G tallywhacker.
Well, hey, do you want some of this? Because I'm pretty sure I just backwashed.
No, thank you. Drink it all up.
Refreshing. You're such a pervert.
Ew.
Your face is ew. Don't even talk to me about ew.
So everybody's seen our other, well, hopefully, our other webcast. We got over 500 hits. Think this one will make more?
Probably not.
It should.
Everybody loves me and my bodily functions, and I'm not really doing it today. Hi, guys. I kind of like it.
Like a chipmunk.
I kind of like it a lot.
Like your upper lip.
Why'd you still be friends with me?
Yeah, I just think I'm gonna get used to.
Who wants to kiss me? Whatever, Kaylin would kiss me.
If you stop doing that face, maybe. Hey, Nicole.
Yeah?
Peekaboo. Supposed to go, ah.
Ah!
I can't stop staring at your face.
Thank you. My teeth are just so pretty.
Whoa. Are your eyes blue today?
Mine?
Yeah. They're blue today.
Yeah.
You look like a scared dog. You're like, Morgan. Hi.
What up?
Biatches.
I'm here, man.
Wait,
I
no
got a
matter
cough.
what. Hello? I do have Sprint. It sucks. Sweet, what kind? Oh. Well, how about you text me, because my phone's on the charger, and it doesn't charge very well when I'm talking on it. Oh, okay.
I'm making faces.
Right.
Just bite my shoulder.
It's a... Did you say it's a blackberry? Oh, okay.
Did you just burp again?
No,
Your breath reeks.
What? Yeah, do that. Oh, my friend Nicole, we're making a YouTube video. Yeah, yeah. Well, no, not my ex-girlfriend. Yeah. Okay. Alexia says hi.
Hi.
She said we should meet sometime. But, yeah, send me a picture.
Sounds good.
Alright, bye.